Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yesterday on Wednesday, May the 18th, 2022, we have had three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, Sudoku Medium, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Three regular Sudokus, but we have also in this newspaper an additional with six extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, and but first I will solve this regular Sudoku number 4567. This binary puzzle 4567. By the way, yeah, the war is still going. Yes. The end of the world. Well, I do not know. Maybe in 100 days. But today is war day number 84. Wow, 84 days ago they started the war in Ukraine. All right. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. All right. Here we have, let's get started. Okay. We have here 4 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with two boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. So the 1 should be definitely here. So now we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Let me see. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1. Oh, wait. 4 ones. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Oh, right. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I place this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. If I place a number 5, the 5th O here, then we have 1, 2, 3. 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Double 1. Here no. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. O and a 1. Here O and a 1. But I do not know in which order. In this column. Okay. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here also the O and the 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5, the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be a no. If I place the 5th one there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Correct. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow. I like this one. Yes, I really do. This binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular Sudokus. Medium Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.